Never see my kids.
Yeah.
Never talk to them, never communicate with them ever again.
And that's a bad thing? I'm sorry, I didn't.
Yes, it is a bad thing. Let's look up and see the beautiful world around us.
I know.
And speaking of which, just because we can, guys, I want to look at this snow stick up at Brundage once again. Put this into motion. That is just phenomenal. Oh my gosh, so they got, looks like 13, 14 inches of brand new snow. Now they're going to be clearing this stick here at 5 o'clock this evening, and then we'll see if we continue to accumulate more snow, but we should get a little bit more with this next storm that's on the way. What's interesting to note is that at 4 o'clock this afternoon, the temperature reading at the Boise airport was 40 degrees. How's that for a nice warming trend? Look at what's happening with the temperatures. We've managed to go all the way down to 33 degrees currently at the airport. So something is happening. The air is starting to cool off again. That means the shower activity is going to be changing over to snow again. 37 degrees in Mountain Home, 43 degrees right now in the Twin Falls area, Pocatello. All these areas out here in a nice south breeze are warming up into the 40s, but that is not going to last for long as this storm system that's out here along the coastline starts to move in. It's feeding a lot of moisture right across the gem state, and most of the shower activity that we're seeing right now is falling in the form of valley rain. But notice how it's quickly changing over to snow in areas to the north and areas down here to the south. As the colder air continues to move in, that rain will change over to snow tonight and will impact the area during the early morning hours. How much snow we're going to get out of this? Probably somewhere in the neighborhood of an inch or an inch and a half. In and of itself, it's not a big deal, but the timing of the snowfall is critical with the morning commute, because if the snow is on the ground in time for the morning commute, 1 inch of snow means it could be a skating rink out there. Please be sure and anticipate that as you start planning for your day tomorrow, to check with Denny Hawkins first thing in the morning and see what's happening. Now, the Weather Service has issued a winter weather advisory for the Owyhees to the south and for Oregon off there to the west. And this pink shaded area, which encompasses much of eastern Idaho, this is a winter storm warning. They're going to be seeing winter storm conditions around the southeastern part of the state with snow blowing and drifting of snow. It's going to be a real mess if you're planning on traveling anywhere eastward tomorrow from Mountain Home through especially Twin Falls into the southeastern part of the state. So more snow tonight, possible slick morning commute. Then it turns dry but frigid this weekend with highs in the teens. The next storm is already lined up, and it's expected to come in here around Tuesday into early Wednesday. So what's happening right now is that we have this frigid air mass that's driving and plunging southward. That's what's going to be driving this low. This is what's going to help to change the rain over to snow. So snow chances during the early morning hours, and then this storm very rapidly moves off into Montana and into Wyoming. We'll catch a strong northwest wind tomorrow, gusty winds, and that will set the stage for the coldest air of the season that will impact us on Saturday and Sunday with highs, as I mentioned, in the teens, overnight lows approaching the single digits. But watch the transformation of the storm. Here's around 10 o'clock tonight, computer models saying, hey, it's going to be snowing in the Treasure Valley into the early morning hours. There you can see a shot of snow, but we're right on the ragged edge of the canopy of snow for the morning commute. But I'd say anywhere in Magic Valley and Point Cease, you're going to run into a winter storm. By noon, we dry out. By tomorrow evening, it's done, but it could be windy, and then here comes the cold stuff. All right, so 7-day forecast for the Treasure Valley on Saturday and Sunday. Partly cloudy skies. Now, folks, we can go into inversion and potential for fog with a snap of a finger with this kind of a pattern. High temperatures Saturday and Sunday in the teens, overnight lows approaching 0 degrees. And here we go Tuesday into Wednesday with more winter weather on the way. In the mountains, we'll be seeing some snow showers tomorrow, but it dries out this weekend. It will be frigid up there on Saturday and Sunday. And it looks like we're going to be seeing some more snow up there going into next week. So there you go.
I've been charging up the ski boot warmers. I think they'll need them.
I didn't know such a thing existed. I thought you were joking when I saw that tweet earlier.
No, no.
Okay.
And you turn them on high.
And they're battery operated?
Yeah.
Hope the battery doesn't explode like in the Galaxy Note.
I know. I hope not either. I'll leave a trail.